Hi everyone, it's me again. So we're on week 378. We are this time. I know I said that last week, but I lied. It's actually week 377 last week. This week is 378. There we go, get it right, hey? Yep, I know. So we have a pentatonic in shape 1. That is it, with the natural minor on strings 1 and 2 in D minor. So it's over a new jamming track, which you can find on the Pateeon page if you so desire. But there is a small version of it coming up at the end of this lesson for you, so you can have a taster. How about that? So it comprises of just the pentatonic, using a hammer-on pull-off kind of thing going through it. It's quite quick, so you know, be aware and practice it slowly. And then at the end of it, you've got this kind of natural minor run where the tricky part is getting these two fingers working for that last kind of 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, and then a bend, semitone bend from that third finger, the ring finger. So without rambling on too much, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing and hitting that bell button if you do enjoy this video and take something from it. And there's a super thanks and the Patreon page, and the tab is on my website dansguitar.com. Not much more to say apart from here is the lick. Good, right, so as I said, comprises of just the first shape of the pentatonics. You've got flavour in the sense of the hammer-ons and pull-offs, so there's a lot of technique, there you go, that's the word I'm trying to find, involved with this. So if you can practice it slowly and build up your speed, it's going to be good for you. If you try and jump in like a bull in a china shop, it ain't going to be good, because you are going to, well, just sound crap, basically. I'm not going to beat around the bush with it on that one, so you will sound crap. So take your time, take it steady, keep it slow, keep it even, and build that speed gradually, and then that builds you a good foundation for making yourself sound good. Right, breakdown coming up now. Right, so the breakdown is as simple as this. You are using those notes, so that's kind of the pentatonic straight up until you reach that 12th fret on the G string, and then a natural minor run from that 10, 11, 13, 10, 12, 13. Those notes, so great to use in any jamming situation, so just remember those. Blue scale if you wanted to on the way back down. Wonderful. Right, so starts off with a hammer on from the 10 to 13. Next string is 10, 12 hammer on. Then you've got 10, 12, 10 hammer pull off. Back to the 12 on the A string. So then you have 10, 12 hammer, 10, 12, 10 hammer pull off, 12 on the D. Then it's 10, 12 on the third string hammer. And that brings you into the natural minor start. Basically that 10, 11, 10 hammer on pull off, 12 on that third string, and then 10, 11, 13 hammer on, take note of the fingers. And then we've got all picked for the last section, first string, 10, 12, 13 second string, and then 10, 12, 13, 12. And then a semitone bend to finish that. So that last little section, quite easy, but it's, you know, at speed not so easy. So I'm going to play it slow in its full form. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and close, wasn't it? Here we go, and again. And that was it. So once more for luck. There you go. Right, so back over to me. So at the end, once more, it's a good lick, right? So hopefully you enjoy playing it, and if you can't play it at speed, then just slow the whole thing down and try and build on that dexterity and the speed and the fluency as you go along. If you do want the tab, it's on my website, dansaguitar.com. If you want a jamming track, it's on the Patreon page under the Jam Zone. There is a small version coming up at the end of the video, just a little teaser, a little taster. And do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button for all future notifications, and come and see me all on the social media stuff, comment in below, visit the website for the tab and all that sort of stuff. Nice one, super thanks would be lovely. If not, don't worry about it, just carry on as normal. Wonderful, see you next week.